I know that you can do all things and that no purpose of yours can be thwarted. Job chapter 42 verses 2. Hello beautiful family. Warmest welcome back again to the Love Vista channel. I hope you're doing well and you're taking very good care of yourself. So today on the menu we'll be frying some crispy turkey tails. This part of the turkey never made it to the healthy food books. These are soul food that you can have once in every blue moon and they are super addictive. Do not say I did not warn you. Please stay tuned and let's do this together. So I'll start off by making sure that my turkey tails are neatly cleaned. You can spot lots of feathers around, and yes, you have to take everything out. It take a little bit of time, but it will be worth it because you do not want to have any form of feathers around your turkey tail. And this particular spot, you really have to cut it open because since it's the tail, you know what they do there, right? This is where the bird hides its feces, if I can say, right? So you just go ahead and clean that very well, and once that everything is clean, you go ahead and wash it with some lime juice and water. Juice helps clean this meat very well. Well, if you do not have lime juice, you can also use some baking soda, but then I think it's rather too harsh for the meat. I prefer to wash them with the lime juice, but either way both of them are pretty much okay to wash the meat very well. So I'll go ahead and chop them into smaller chunks because these are quite very huge. Okay, so once that is done, I'll go ahead and introduce all my spices. These are what I'll be steaming the meat with. I have some ginger, garlic, onions, jalapeno peppers, and this is going to give us that hot cake which I absolutely love. To have 3 cardamom seeds, anisseed, rosemary, curry powder, and I'll be using tasty and fresh chicken seasoning. I also have some salt to taste. So go ahead and give everything a blend. Come and check on it. It was halfway steamed through. It's about 8 minutes now on fire, so just make sure you do not burn any side of it. And yeah, they are steaming very well and it smells super delicious. I'll go ahead and cover it again for another 8 more minutes, and once we're done, they are perfectly cooked through. They are tender and it absolutely smells good in here. So go ahead and take all of it out, allow it to cool down before I start to They are so good. Every year I have at least once in a year some turkey tails. It's like a sweetest temptation. And this is to tell you that you should not be having this on a weekly or monthly basis. Once or twice a year won't hurt anyone, okay? So yes, we have fried these to perfection. I do not want it to be extra hard. So yes, these are so perfect for me. And I'll go ahead and also chop them into smaller sizes again, because it helps me and my mind that I'm not consuming too much of that. Okay, so go ahead and pair it with some fanti kenke, which is absolutely a favorite of mine. Yes, the 3 Ghanaian wise peppers are representing as well. I would not also recommend that you have it with something fried, because 2 fries at the same time is really very dangerous. Okay, so it's really safe pairing it with some kenke. It's absolutely incredibly delicious. I'll be gracing this with some suya spice, which I also have the recipe of. I'm going to link it right here for you to watch. It is absolutely delicious, and I hope you try it once in a while. Okay, thank you so very much, family, for watching. I do really appreciate your time so much, and please be sure to like this video as it helps the channel grow. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovey's Touch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, subscribe, and join the family for amazing new recipe every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one.